Timzi, find the value of x.
Now, the value of x, you come here. Now you see the way it is. Now, it is 2x plus 2 plus bracket plus 6x minus 3 over 6x minus 3 plus 2, no bracket here, plus 2x plus x. Now, through Pythagoras theorem, you cancel these things. This, you cancel them. Cancel them. You have cancelled them through Pythagoras theorem.
Shut this one!
Now you are left with 2x plus 2, 6x minus 3 all over 6x minus 3 plus 2x plus x. Now through calculus formula, you cancel x. All x's they cancel. Cancel 6x, cancel by 6x. 2x cancels. Now 3 cancels with 3x.
Ni pumbafu kabisa.
Now you are left with plus 2, this one, plus all over plus x.
Ulisikia wapi?
Now through hypotenuse or trapezium formula, this all of them cancels.
Mavi ya kuku.
Now you are left with 2 all over x.
Pumbafu sana.
And we want to find the value of x. Now you assume this line is not there. Just assume it. Assume this line is not there. Through circumference, this line goes. Now you are left with 2 is equals to x.
Mtu kama huyo ni bure kabisa, anahitaji kutwagwa makofi.
But we want to find the value of x. What is x? They alternate through alternation formula. Through rotation formula, now you come with x is equals to 2. And that's the answer. Yeah. This is the answer.